Zido. Just woke up, my baby Zayd. Huh? Good morning, baby Zayd. Good morning. Good. Fix your hair, baby. Fix your hair. Touch your hair. Touch. Fix. Fix your hair like that. Oh. My supervisor is here watching me. Say hi. Hi. Peekaboo, love it. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. You want to eat now? Huh? You want to eat lugaw? Huh? Puspas with egg? This for Zayd, this for Mama. Okay? This for Mama, Mama. And this yours. Where's that? Okay, let's eat na.
Yeah.
Zido. Start eating, Zido. This is for you. Get the spoon. Yummy. Are you hungry now, Zido? Hungry now? You want to eat now? Wait, it's still hot, okay? Press. Yan. I press. Your turn. Here. You know how to make smoothie now? Huh? You know how to make smoothie, Zido? Again, press. Isidro? What do you want? Ba. This one? Watermelon. Bite. Baba will give you, okay? A moment.